Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the photo. Pick a high-resolution PNG or hike so scaling stays sharp. Once selected, crop to a square and center the subject. This prevents awkward cuts when the system masks corners. Make sure to leave about a 10% safe margin so key details aren't clipped. Save a master copy, then export resized versions for each target size. This step reduces artifacts later and speeds up the rest of the workflow, so don't skip it. Now you convert the photo into app icon assets. Open an editor or asset generator and export the exact sizes you need: 1024, 512, 180, 120, 76 pixels, and any platform-specific variants. Apply a rounded mask or subtle shadow if the platform requires it, and always preview at actual device scale so you can judge legibility. Save each export as PNG with transparency. Finish by adding the icon assets to your app project or using the shortcut app to assign the image as a home icon. For native apps, place files in the asset catalog and update the manifest, then rebuild and install. For shortcuts or launchers, select the PNG and confirm. Once done, clear cache or restart the device if the old icon persists. If something goes wrong, make sure sizes, file format, transparency, and asset names match platform requirements. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.